Hello, what follows is a multimedia weather briefing for the upcoming winter weather expected across the tri-state area tonight. This was recorded at 2 p.m. on January 30th and will be valid for the next several hours. First, we'd like to look at the warnings we have issued out now. These pink areas here on the screen are a winter storm warning for heavy snow. It impacts Yuma, Cheyenne, Kansas, Dundee County, Nebraska, and it extends westward to near the Boulder area. This is where the highest snow amounts are expected tonight, some places receiving over 8 inches as possible. This area in purple along the interstate, a winter weather advisory is now in effect for 3 to 5 inches. And thankfully right now we're not expecting very much in the way of winds to cause reduced visibilities tonight. Any reduced visibilities are expected to be caused by the snowfall rates themselves. As mentioned before, the winter storm warning includes Yuma, Cheyenne, and Dundee counties. It starts tonight at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and lasts until 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday morning. We're expecting 5 to 8 inches, with locally higher amounts, especially as you move west into more central Colorado. With these amounts, we're expecting roadways will become snow-packed and difficult to travel on, and light snow with additional accumulations is possible tomorrow evening. For the advisory area, this covers much more of the tri-state area. Kit Carson, Hitchcock, Red Willow, Rawlins, Decatur, Norton, Graham, Thomas, and Sherman counties will all be impacted by the winter weather tonight. Like the previous warning, it starts at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time and lasts until 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on Saturday morning. In this area, we're expecting 3 to 4 inches, although the northern portions of these areas that are adjacent to the warning areas may get closer to 5 or 6 inches. Roads will become snowpacked, but might be a little bit easier to travel than in the warning area. It's still not ideal. And as in the case before, we're expecting more light snow possible tomorrow evening as well in the same area. This is what we're expecting for snowfall amounts to fall tonight through tomorrow morning. The highest amounts will be around the Yuma area, where we're expecting around 7 inches or more. Tapering off to the east to get to around 6 inches around Benkelman, 5 inches around St. Francis. So definitely anyone in this area in the the northwest portion of our area needs to be on the lookout for potentially heavy snow tonight. This area here, basically right along the interstate and north, we're expecting 3 to 5 inches, again with the highest amounts as you go north and west across the area. And as we mentioned, we're expecting another round of snow to go through the area sometime tomorrow afternoon and evening. And combining that expected snowfall with the snowfall from tonight, we're expecting anywhere around 8 inches around the Yuma area, tapering off to around 6 inches for McCook, Oberlin, and Atwood areas. And again, the highest amounts will be along and north of Interstate 70, where around 5 inches of total snow is expected. This next series of images will just show what we expect the weather to be tonight, to give you all some guidance on the timing of when to expect the biggest impacts of the snow. The green colors are basically areas of we're expecting light snow or very low chances of accumulating snow occurring. The yellow is where we really think the best chances of accumulating snow will be at this time, and probably higher snowfall rates in general. At 6 o'clock Mountain Time, or 7 o'clock Central Time, we expect to start seeing snow move into the Yuma, Ray areas, maybe impacting as far south as Flagler. There's potential for snow farther east, but as I mentioned before, we're expecting that to be much lighter and much less threat of accumulating at this time. If we step ahead to 8 o'clock tonight, you can see that the snow has expanded to the east mainly. It hasn't moved. We're not expecting it to move much to the south the first couple hours of the evening. But with the whole area along the Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado border now in the potential for seeing some significant accumulations at this time, and the most likely area of snow starting to move into the Goodland and McCook areas by 8 o'clock tonight. And finally, jumping to 10 o'clock, the snow has expanded a little bit to the south. Now it's encompassing the entire Interstate 70 area between Colby and Flagler. McCook, Goodland, St. Francis, Oberlin are now all expected to be receiving snow at this time, with the lighter amounts and less chances of accumulating snow down for the Cheyenne Wells, Quinter, and Tribune areas. This area will generally gradually continue to drift east through the night and slowly drift to the south. So we're expecting Hill City to get into the accumulating snow a little bit later than everybody else. And then points south, such as Tribune and Quinter, will take several more hours, probably into the early morning hours before we start seeing accumulating snow. If you have any questions about this briefing or want updated weather information, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/Goodland, all lowercase. Thank you.